Hello everybody, we thought today we would give you a little tour around the factory to show you just how your shawl is made. So off we go. Various offices, see if we can find someone for you to talk to. Oh, and we found Gal. Hi Gal, we're coming to film you today.
Hello.
This is Gal.
Hi.
Give her a call, she's here to help you.
Yes, everybody, you can phone me. I'm pretty in the know now. I know what you're looking for. We've got different variations. If you tell me your size, I can tell you if you need a petite or a regular.
Okay, thanks Gal, that's great.
welcome.
Give her a call. Okay, we're going for a journey through the factory. We're going to see Wendy, who makes the bags. Let's go through. Oh, we have to go through the tool room where we make all the tools for the new designs, and into Wendy's bag room. It's a bit of a mess. She makes a big mess, Wendy. Hi, Wendy.
Hello, I'm Wendy and I've been here 20 years and I help design and cut the bags.
Well, you've probably made quite a few bags in all that time, Wendy.
Quite a few.
Well, I'm sure everybody's very grateful. What are you doing now?
Just cutting up a line.
If we can see anybody down there. Just go through all the trolleys, waiting to go out for Christmas. Lots stacked everywhere. Here we go. Here's Kurt. Hi Kurt! How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. My name's Kurt and I'm the floor manager really of this place, and I'm responsible for putting holes, cutting, punching, bending. That's about it really.
And the quality control?
And I'll do the quality control, which will show you in 1 minute.
Perfect, thanks Kurt. We'll come back and have another look.
Okay.
We've got a lot of machines. Hi Martin.
Hello.
We're just coming to look at where you put all the Sholleys together. You've been busy.
Yeah, very busy today.
How many of these do you make a day, do you think?
Approximately 50.
Do you?
Yeah.
Gosh, that's good. You've got a lot behind you. That's ready for Christmas, is it?
Yeah, it certainly is.
Well done. Fantastic. Brilliant. I bet you can make these in your sleep.
I can.
We'll come and see you later. Thank you very much. Bye.
Right, just a quick one.
That's clever.
Here's my bum.
Oh, he's quick at this. Simple but good. How many of these do you do, Kurt?
40 to 50 a day.
40, 50 a day like this. You're quick at this, Kurt. You've had a lot of practice.
Loads of practice, 12 years of practice. I'm not fast, you can do it quicker than me.
No, you're the fastest. You hold the record. You hold the record for the fastest bag putter on. You and Martin should have a competition with the others and see who's the fastest.
Nobody would beat me.
Nobody would beat you.
No.
So have some money on it then.
I would definitely have money on it.
So what's the next stage?
Put the handle on it.
Putting the handle on. Jolly good. All the handles ready for you.
Yeah.
That's good.
As you can see, I'm good at screwing.
Right, okay, excellent. And in the box, oh look at
Put it
these
in the box.
boxes, they're good. Home in on the box there and have a look.